We're in trances, going all to different places, different planets.
Hello family, welcome back to another video. So today I'm going to be showing you guys how you can make your rosemary water. It is pretty easy to make. So this is the rosemary. I've already washed it. As you can see, I have water in here. Yeah. So that's my rosemary. This is a fresh rosemary leaves. Rosemary is very great for hair growth. It has a lot of benefits for your hair. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to put my water in the pot and I'm going to bring the water to a boil before I add in the rosemary leaves. So let's go to the stove top to do that. So first thing first, I'm going to turn on my stove. I'm going to turn it on too high for now. I'm going to put about 3 cups of water in here. And I'm going to bring this to a boil. Once it starts to boil, I'm going to put the rosemary leaves in here. So I'm going to leave this on here till it starts to boil. Alright guys, so my water has come to a boil. And I'm just going to go ahead and put my rosemary in here. It is pretty easy to make, as you all can see. I hope it's not that difficult for you. So what I'm gonna do next is bring this to a medium heat. I'm gonna leave this on for 3 minutes. I'm going to leave it on for 3 minutes, and after 3 minutes, while this is on like medium, kind of low heat, I'm going to leave it on the stove top for 10 minutes. Now, after the 10 minutes, I'm not going to use this right away. This is going to stay overnight, okay? This is optional. You can use it right away, or if you want it to be really potent, leave this overnight. I'm going to leave it overnight, and tomorrow I'm going to strain it and use my rosemary water. All right, family, so it has been over 3 minutes. What I'm going to do next is load this. I'm going to put it on low, and this is going to stay here for 10 minutes. After 10 minutes, I'm going to cover this up, and I will strain this the next day because it's actually lit over here. So I'm going to leave this overnight, and then I'm going to strain it tomorrow morning. All right, family, so this is the rosemary water. This is how it looks right now. It looks kind of green or yellowish looking in color. After the rosemary water sits for a while, it is going to turn dark. I just want to say this because you guys are going to see later on in the video, the rosemary water is going to be dark. And when it gets dark, or when it turns dark, there's nothing wrong with the water, okay? It is going to turn into a brownish color or a burnt orange color. That is absolutely fine. If you've been here for a while, you guys know that I am not wasteful. So I will be reusing my rosemary sprigs or my rosemary leaves. All right, family, so like I said, this is going to sit here overnight. I've already turned off the stove. Now I'm just going to get my lid and cover the pot. And yeah, I'm going to leave this here overnight. The next morning, I'm going to strain my rosemary water. It is the next day, and here's my rosemary water. Like I said earlier, the rosemary water was going to turn into a darker color. Yeah, it did, family. It actually did. So whenever you see your rosemary water this way, please don't throw it away. This is absolutely fine. The water is still good. You can go ahead, strain your water, and begin to use it. So right now, I'm just straining my water. After that, I'm going to transfer this into my spray bottle, and this is how you can make your rosemary water. My girls and I will be using this until it is done. We are going to use this every day. And also, like I said, I won't be throwing away my rosemary leaves or my rosemary sprigs. I'm going to reuse it for another purpose. If you like the video so far, please don't forget to give me a thumbs up and also share your thoughts in the comment section. That way you are pushing this video out there, you are promoting this channel. Thank you all so much for your love and your support. And if you aren't a member of this family, go ahead and smash that subscribe button. We will love to have you here, and I'm pretty sure you are going to love it here. Welcome to the family. Alright family, we are almost at the end of today's video. This is how you can make your rosemary water or your rosemary hair rinse. My girls and I will be applying this to our hair every day as a hairspray. Rosemary is going to help in thickening the hair. It also stimulates hair growth. Rosemary increases blood flow to the scalp, supplying the hair follicles with important nutrients that can help your hair greatly. Rosemary suppresses DHT. DHT is a hormone that is known to cause hair loss. Also, if you are struggling with any type of hair issues like dandruff, you can use rosemary. Rosemary is very powerful in antibacterial and antifungal properties. You can use that to tackle those hair issues or those scalp issues. Using rosemary every day is going to be beneficial to your hair growth and also maintaining the health of your hair. Alright family, so that's the end of today's video. Thank you all for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe. Go ahead and smash that subscribe button to become a member of this amazing family. I hope you all have a very blessed weekend. Love y'all. Bye.